This guide will help you configure audio desync issues in CS2 for a smoother gaming experience. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check audio settings. Open CS2 and navigate to the audio settings menu. Ensure that the audio output device is correctly set to your preferred speakers or headphones. Adjust the volume levels to ensure they are not muted or too low. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Visit the website of your audio device manufacturer or use a driver update tool to check for the latest audio drivers. Download and install any updates to ensure compatibility and optimal performance. Step 3. Adjusting game audio latency. In the audio settings of CS2, look for options related to audio latency or buffering. Experiment with these settings, lowering or increasing the latency to see if it resolves the desync issue. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using audio resources. This can help free up system resources and reduce potential conflicts that cause audio desync. Step 5. Verify game files. If the issue persists, use the game platform like Steam to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can help resolve audio issues. By following these steps, you should be able to configure and fix audio desync issues in CS2. Enjoy your gaming experience.